Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jaypriya, your computer science faculty. See, children, I hope you all are safe and doing works given by teachers, isn't it? I know now your first assessment is over. I believe you all have scored good marks, isn't it? Okay. See, children, now your 3 modules are over. That is already taken by Nimam. That is data management, SQL, then computer network security, etc. Okay, from today onwards, I will take the classes for Python. See, you must have enjoyed learning Python in class 11. Python is a very popular language among beginners as well as for developers. The journey of Python that you started in class 11 will continue in class 12 as well. So children, in class 11, you studied more about Python. Okay, how to write a Python program, the keywords, terms are associated with Python. That everything you studied in class 11. In class 2, we will study more about Python. Some more advanced options, advanced concepts we will study in class plus 2. Okay, so before started with these newer concepts, let us revise all the topics that you have learned in class 11. Okay, now let us start with the revision tool. Okay, see in the revision tool, we can learn the terms associated with Python. So the first term is tokens or lexical unit. The smallest individual unit in a program is called tokens or lexical unit. Okay, the smallest individual unit in a program is called tokens or lexical unit. The tokens can be divided into 5: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. Once again, tokens can be divided into 5: keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. Okay, then first one is keyword. A keyword is a word having special meaning reserved by programming language. For example, if, else, is, in, or, continue, while. Okay, different types of keywords you can use in Python. Then next topic is identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to different parts of the program. For example, names of a variable, then class, objects, etc. See children, Python is a case sensitive language and we have to follow some rules to name a variable or to name an identifier. Okay, what are they? You already studied. Yes. See, identifier must be a non-keyword word and no space is allowed in between the words. Okay. Then second one, the identifier names can contain letters, numbers and one special character, that is underscore. See children, the only permitted special character to name the identifiers is underscore. And third one, the identifier names should not start with a number. Okay, these are the different rules to name identifier. You already studied in class 11. Okay, then our next topic is literals. Our next topic is literals. Literals are the data items that have a constant value. Python allows different kinds of literals, that is string literals, numeric literals, boolean literals and special literals. First one, string literals. Then what is meant by string? Yes, a sequence of characters is called string. You can write these strings in between one single quotes, double quotes and also you can use triple quotes. Okay, this one is called string literals. See children, the string literal can be either single line statement or multi-line statement. Now what is meant by single line statement? Yes, single line statement means that it will start and ends in one line. Okay, the code should be in same line. But multi-line statements means that it will start and ends in different lines. That one is called a multi-line statement. In string literals, you can use escape sequence also. That is backslash, okay, then backslash t, backslash n for no line, okay, then ASCII characters you can use, then horizontal tab, then carriage return, different types of escape sequences you are using. This you can use in string literals. Next one is numeric literacy. Numeric literacy means integer letters, floating point letters or complex letters. Different types of letters are there. Integer letters means signed numbers. You can use signed numbers in integer letters. Then floating point numbers means the numbers with point or the fractional part are called floating point letters. Okay, see in the signed integers or signed letters, you can use decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Do you know how to denote decimal, octal and hexadecimal? Okay, see, when you write simply a number, that will treat as a decimal number, decimal integer. But when you start a number with 0 or then 25, that means it is an octal number. And when a number started with 0x, then it is called a hexadecimal number. Okay, 0O for octal, 0x for hexadecimal. Okay, then next one is complex numbers. Complex letters are in the form of A plus Bj, where A and B are floating points and the value of j is root of -1. Okay, then next one is Boolean letters. Boolean letters means the Boolean logic values. Okay, in Boolean logic, we have only two values, either 0 or 1 or true or false. Okay, that one is stored in Boolean variables or Boolean letters. Then last one is special literal. Special literals means none. Okay, none is treated as a special literal that does not store a value. Okay, these are the different types of literals. Okay, so first one, keywords. What is meant by keywords? Keyword is a word that has special meaning assigned by the program language. Second one, identifiers. Okay, identifiers are the names of variable, objects or classes, etc. Third one is literals. The next one is operators. What different types of operators are there? First one, arithmetic operator, bitwise operators, shift operators, identity operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operator, membership operators and arithmetic assignment operators. These are the different types of operators. Then first one, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators means the normal addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operators are called arithmetic operators. Next one, bitwise operators, that is and then the up arrow slash, that is for or, that one is called bitwise operators. Then shift operator for shift left and shift right. Next one, identity operators, that are is, or and not. Okay. The next one, relational operators, that is less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, equivalent to, not equal to. These type of operators are called relational operators. Next one, assignment operators. Assignment operator is only one, that is equal to. Okay. Next one, logical operators, that is and or. Okay. Then next one, membership operators, that is in and not in. And last one, arithmetic assignment operators. It includes slash equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to. Okay, these are the different types of arithmetic assignment operators. That is a plus equal to 5 means a is equal to a plus 5. These are the different types of arithmetic assignment operators. Okay. Next one, punctuators. Punctuators are the symbols used in programming languages to organize sentence structures and indicate the rhythm and emphasis of expressions, statements and program structures. The most commonly used punctuators are single quote, double quote, hash, backslash, parentheses, square brackets, then open and closing braces, then colon, at the rate, semicolon, dot, tilde and equal to. These are the different types of punctuators we are used in Python. Okay children, Now I believe you all can refresh the basics of Python or the basic terms associated with Python. Isn't it? Okay, then see you again with another topic. See children, you all have to learn all the topics that I taken today. Okay, see you again. Till then, take care. Bye.